All right, YouTube. So for air fryer hot dogs, use the hot dogs of your choice, either a butter or oil spray, and some hot dog buns. So let's go right to the recipe. All right, so take those hot dogs and take your spray. Just spray it, turn it, and spray it again. All right, so place your hot dogs in there, and then you're going to want to set up the air fryer. All right, so hit air fry. And time, you want to do it for 8 minutes. And the temp, you want to do it for 380. I will include directions at the end and in the video. Then you hit start. Alright, YouTube, so it's hard to see this display, but it's 8 minutes and 380 degrees. So at 4 minutes, you're going to want to pull the tray out and rotate it. All right, YouTube, it's halfway through, so we're going to just put them back in there and it'll finish them off. All right, so it takes about 6 to 8 minutes. You see it's done. So look at those hot dogs, really crispy. Now you want to put them in the buns. All right, YouTube, so look how they came out. They came out really good. So now you want to just toast the buns. All right, YouTube, so they're back in there. Now you want to toast the buns or just warm them up. So just put the thing back in and we'll set it again. We got air fry. You want to do it just for a minute and hit start. And I just hit start again. And now it'll start. So now we're just warming the buns, and then you have really good quality hot dogs and warm buns. All right, so that's it. It's hard to get this captured with the light in here, but that's how you could have air fryer hot dogs in 6 to 7 minutes. All right, YouTube, and there you have it. Just a regular hot dog with mustard and a cheese hot dog using gourmet cheese.